Artificial intelligence tools are no longer just personal assistants. They are becoming full-scale workspaces for teams. Two names leading this space are ChatGPT Team and Claude Pro. Both promise collaboration, security, and smarter workflows powered by advanced language models. But which one is the better fit for teams that want to boost productivity and creativity? Let's break it down. ChatGPT Team is built around the well-known ChatGPT experience, but designed specifically for teams. It allows multiple users to share a secure workspace while using the same powerful models. It gives teams access to advanced capabilities like data analysis, file uploads, and code interpretation, all within one shared environment. What makes it stand out is how easy it is to set up and manage. You can add team members, control data privacy, and collaborate on projects without worrying that your information is being used to train future models. Everything stays private within your workspace. The interface is simple, clean, and familiar if you have ever used ChatGPT before, which makes onboarding fast and painless. Claude Pro, created by Anthropic, takes a slightly different approach. It focuses on long context and deep understanding. Claude can read and remember large documents, making it great for research-heavy work or long writing projects. It also has a reputation for a more cautious and thoughtful tone in its responses. Claude Pro gives you access to the full power of the Claude models, faster response times, and priority access during peak hours. While it does not have a full team workspace like ChatGPT Team, it does shine in tasks that need detailed comprehension, structured writing, or ethical reasoning. In many cases, the smartest approach might be using both ChatGPT Team for collaborative workflows, brainstorming sessions, and project execution, and Claude Pro for deep document review or writing refinement. Both tools bring powerful intelligence to your work, but in different ways. ChatGPT Team turns collaboration into a seamless process, while Claude Pro gives you unmatched depth for complex text and thoughtful writing. Together or apart, they represent the next evolution of how teams work with artificial intelligence.